everyone, it's Jacqueline for Pixie Dust PhD. In today's video, I wanted to share the Disney-related gifts that my partner and I got each other for the holidays. There's some really fun stuff and I'll leave links in the description below. Stay tuned for the Disney Holiday Haul. Before we get started, I wanted to say hey to anybody new here, I'm Jacqueline. On this channel, we talk a lot about Disney, Walt Disney World, and Disney Vacation Club. If you enjoy haul videos, there's a video on my channel back around my birthday where we went over my Disney-related birthday gifts. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, or you can click the card in the corner. I really appreciate that you're here. If you want to help me out in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm, and all of this is completely free to you, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. You can ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post new videos. Before we get into the gifts themselves, I'd like to apologize for this video being a bit late compared to the holidays. Some items have been in and out of the laundry quite frequently, and this was the first time I could snag clean everything. Also, many of my friends have remarked that the way my partner and I do holidays is a bit unorthodox, so let me explain. My partner celebrates Hanukkah and I celebrate Christmas. We each swap lists. So we do each make lists of things that we would like to get for the holidays. And then we buy each other things from off that list, but we also normally buy some things that aren't on the list. I believe the only Disney-related thing I had on my list was a Vera Bradley Sweet Treats purse. And my partner had a plush The Child or Baby Yoda on their list. However, we do always buy each other things not on the list as well. Interestingly, all of the Disney-related items we got for each other this year were not on our lists. I'd love to hear what you got for your holidays or your birthday. If it was recent, you can leave that in the comments down below, or you can find me on Twitter and Instagram at PixieDustPhD. We both got each other two things. Let's go over these 4 items. First, my partner got me this very cute, super sparkly mini bow bag charm. It's not really keychain, I wouldn't put keys on it, but it's a really cute accessory. The white spots are solid, I think maybe it's enamel, and then all of the red is super sparkly. The back is gold and has embossed Mickeys on it. They were really hard to capture on video, so here is a still shot where hopefully you can see it. It's a really fun touch to the back of a bag charm, super cute pattern. It is surprisingly heavy for its size, but in a way where I think it's quite durable and it will last through lots of abuse over the years. The first item I got my partner is this Mickey Bow Bun t-shirt. I got this from Hot Topic. While my partner and I both love Disney, we both love the more subtle merch. So obviously you can see the overall shape of this is a hidden Mickey, and there are little Mickey touches throughout. We also both love dumplings a lot, so I figured I couldn't go wrong with this shirt. My big Disney gift was this Spirit jersey. This is from the Ink and Paint set, which my partner knows that I love. I've been looking a lot at the Ink and Paint coffee mug for a long time, but it's not dishwasher safe, so I didn't think I wanted it. So instead, they got me this really thoughtful gift of this Ink and Paint Spirit jersey. My partner did shop online for this, so we feel really lucky about the pattern placement. There's a Mickey up front and center, as well as some white rabbits who I love. You've also got Dumbo, Pinocchio, Mr. Toad, Peter Pan, and Jiminy Cricket. The pops of colors are obviously the stars of the Spirit jersey, but I love the background as well. There's sketches in light gray all over. There's lots of recognizable sketches, but even some I don't know. If you do know what these are, please leave a comment down below. I am far from a Disney historian and would love to learn. Here we've got the 3 caballeros, and then this harp woman that I don't recognize, as well as these cute wedding hats. And I think this is maybe Snow White and Alice. Let me know what fun background characters you spotted. Then the back of the Spirit jersey says in really big font, Disneyland Resort. Funnily, I asked my partner if we were going to Disneyland and they responded, maybe someday. I have been to Disneyland as a kid, my partner has never been. I just thought it was funny that they bought me a Disneyland Spirit jersey when we've never been to Disneyland together. The last Disney-related item I got from my partner was this Wilderness Explorers t-shirt, again from Hot Topic. You may have seen them wearing it in our Pixar ranking video. I will leave a link to that in the description below, or you can click the card in the corner. The t-shirt itself is this cool marbled, maybe bleached effect where it's a black t-shirt, but there's some swirling throughout. The t-shirt features contrast white stitching around the neck, the arms, and the hem. The front is pretty plain with just the Wilderness Explorers badge. The back is where this t-shirt gets amazing. There are just loads and loads of badges, although there is no Ellie badge. I'm not a senior Wilderness Explorer, so I don't know what all of these badges are, but they are super fun to look at. I think this is the perfect play of a subtle Disney shirt. While I know archery is common for Scouts, I kind of wonder if that bow and arrow badge is a nod to Merida. My partner and I try not to be too invested in material items, but it is always fun around holidays and birthdays to get gifts. And I always appreciate those gifts with a little bit of extra Disney magic. I hope the rest of your day is absolutely magical, and we'll see you real soon at Pixie Dust PhD.